Bonnie and Sandy love to read books. Each of them has a huge collection. They have decided to combine their collections and start a library. Bonnie wants to know how many books there are altogether in each section. What's this? A 100's chart. Sandy says he can use this chart to add. Let's see how he does it. Bonnie has 23 books, while Sandy has 9 books on adventure. Let's see how Sandy adds 23 and 9 using the 100's chart. First, locate 23 on the chart. Then, to add 9, move 9 places to the right. This move brings us to 32. The sum of 23 and 9 is 32. So, in all, there are 32 books on adventure. On a 100's chart, to add a single-digit number, move right across columns. To add a 1, move 1 place to the right. To add a 2, move 2 places to the right. To add a 3, move 3 places to the right. And so on. Time to practice. To add 59 and 5, first locate 59 on the chart. Then move 5 places right. This move brings us to 64. So the sum of 59 and 5 is 64. Next, to add 87 and 8. Locate 87 on the chart. Then move 8 places right. This move brings us to 95. So, 87 plus 8 equals 95. Sandy has 45 books, while Bonnie has 20 books on fantasy. In all, there are 45 plus 20 books. To add 20 to 45, first locate 45 on the chart. Then, to add 20, move 2 rows down. This move brings us to 65. 45 plus 20 equals 65. So, there are 65 books of fantasy stories. To add 10s on a 100's chart, we move down across rows. To add a 10, we move 1 row down. To add 20, we move 2 rows down. To add 30, we move 3 rows down. And so on. Bonnie has 37 activity books, while Sandy has 25 activity books. In all, there are 37 plus 25 books. First, locate 37 on the chart. Next, expand 25 as 20 plus 5. To add 20 and 5, first move 2 rows down. Then move 5 places right. This brings us to 62. 37 plus 25 equals 62. So, there are 62 activity books altogether. On a 100's chart, to add a 2-digit number, first, locate the first number. Next, expand the number into tens and ones. Then, move down across rows and right across columns to get the sum. Remember, on a 100's chart, to add ones, move right across columns. To add tens, move down across rows. To add both tens and ones, first move down across rows, then right across columns.